All right, back out at the corner lot. This is where Billy Pooh and I marked the house out a couple weeks ago or so. And Chris is coming out here to meet me so we can decide what trees to take down when we take down the house and all the little buildings and everything. And I'm pretty much want to get rid of the pine trees, these little pine trees, those two big pine trees. There's a dead tree in there, might have to cut it out with the chainsaw. Keep that big one, keep that big one. Probably keep this stuff on the right side. We're gonna make the driveway better, put in a water culvert pipe and have it where it's a, better entrance than that. And come in here. This ditch will go away. It was supposed to, they just had it to keep water from running into the house. So since the house will be gone, isn't needed, so we'll get rid of that. Keep that tree. I think keep that tree, even though it's looking a little rough. That one will have to go. It's a cedar tree, just because of the, to get the house out. But the trees at the road will stay, those big ones. Then over here, I want to clean this out some. It gets pretty wet in there. It'd actually be a nice spot for a pond, but I don't know if it's worth doing. But there he is now. I see him through the woods. But anyway, but the property goes all along that tree line and over there to the corner where you see Chris turning and all through here. So I'd like to open this up some. And then I don't know if we're going to have to bring in dirt or what we have to do to kind of make that a little nicer and more usable, more friendly. And yeah, so I'm planning on flying the drone and kind of talk about what we're going to do. And I've said this before, I walk through with Chris, we'll see what he thinks. I marked where the house goes this time instead of just saying guessing.
Here.
Yep. So the house goes here-ish.
Ish.
Septic field's up there.
All right.
So driveway needs to be made better. I mean, I'm thinking at least a 30-foot pipe. I don't even know if we need to go a little bigger.
Yeah,
I don't know.
We'll walk over there and see what we need to add to that.
And then
We'll add some concrete pipe to it or see what the heck's under there.
see what's happening. Because I mean, it's
We
just,
gotta get rid of that dip.
yeah, it's awful.
We'll probably have to fix that before we tear that down, just to be able to get.
So everybody can come in and out.
Yeah. Because
So-
I can't get anything in that driveway. It's narrow as it is.
So I'm thinking pretty much keep the trees at the road
Yeah.
for blockage.
Yep.
I'm thinking all the pine trees come down.
Yeah, because it's right here.
So I'm thinking those come down.
Probably that one oak right there.
Which one?
The one
The
that's
nice
all-
curvy one that I like?
The one that's gonna fall over and smash the new house. I don't know. We can look at it. I mean, the branches are right there at the house.
This, nah. This one?
Yeah.
This one of my favorite trees.
All right, we can do it then.
If it falls on the house, you could tell me, you told me so.
Yeah, then it'll be 5 times as much to take it home.
Whatever.
It's fine.
I like that one.
Can't put it back.
Now the other one maybe should go. I mean, you see it's half dead as it is.
I think we can just trim the branch off.
Yeah, see? But keep the one at the road.
Yep.
The one right there might have to go just because it's right there.
This one right here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really not going to hurt anything out here, though.
I mean, if it's not going to get in your way, it can stay.
But, I mean, I'll take all these down.
We cut the cedar tree down. I want to keep it. I'm going to cut it up for my closet.
Are you now? Okay. Keep all the moss,
My cedar closet.
cedar closet.
So all the...
About 1 8x8 or about 10 2x4s out of that.
I can make me a bunch of good smelling chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've decided to keep the house.
This house?
Yeah. Yeah, we can fix it.
Like the whole house or just like
Eh,
the window?
well, we'll see.
Oh, is do the cinder blocks that hold the roof, or they come with it?
That's extra.
Oh, okay. I need those.
That's a bonus feature.
Hey, we can put those under your container. I get the goose though. The goose comes with me. So I collected. Well, that's plastic. Anyways, you can have that. I thought it was a concrete one. So on a lot of these old houses I tear down, there's always like one of those concrete animals.
Right.
And they're like, if you ever come to my house, you'll notice them. They're all in the flower beds.
There's two more over there.
Oh, okay.
We'll see you. So, you know, that comes out. That thing comes out.
That thing.
Yeah, this used to be a tree that's, I don't know what it's doing.
James said there's a lot of value in this shed right here.
No, that's the shed that's at the corner.
Oh, okay. See, it's even got the auction tag on it.
Yeah, people were trying to get people to buy the doors and stuff. No, we're just going to tote all that with it.
We got some new chairs for your front porch.
There's a gas heater.
Look at there. Headboard.
A door. James wants you to set the metal to the side for him.
No, James. Sorry, James.
Yeah, this one needs to go. I don't know if we're going to have to just cut it though with the chainsaw since it's so close or what. Okay. Oh, look at that. That was a break for something.
James should have picked that up.
Yeah, that's metal. But, and want to do something with this ditch so that it's diverted way over there.
Yeah, we'll have to figure that one out.
Yeah.
See if we can't take it and somehow fill it in and divert it to the road.
Do we want to put a pond here in this wet area?
Lose all your trees in.
Yeah, no. Well, we'll look at it when we walk. What happened?
I didn't drop the broom or the paint can.
But you made sure to drop your GoPro?
Dang sure to drop that. Guess I'm ordering another one tonight for it.
We should start having just a little, like just order by the case. Between you and
These
I.
are great.
Yeah.
But this is the flaw.
Yeah.
And you know what the good thing is? I have another one in my truck. So
I'm sure you do.
I'm going to go grab it real quick, and then I'm going to have to order another one. So I have
Always have a spare. Well, I didn't film it. You can see it on Chris's film, but yeah, we've thinking that this is not gonna be a fixer upper. This is gonna be a tear down. It looks like.
Yeah, it's going to be a replace like this.
Yeah.
Here's the culvert pipe.
Probably some copperheads too. So.
But the good thing
there it is.
It's plastic pipe.
Oh.
And it's buried. So we're going to go to the other end. See if we can figure out what size it is. That end's all smashed up. It's definitely poison ivy. Oh, that's a big pipe. It's half full of gravel. It's always good.
Yeah.
Not sure of the size, but I'm thinking that's about an 18-inch pipe.
I concur.
I will measure it before we're leaving, though. All right. 18-inch pipe. I don't know. Your property goes over all the way to there.
It goes all the way to there.
Heck, it kind of makes sense just to
Get us further from the
put another
corner.
20 foot in right here.
Yeah.
And then you're probably just going to kind of be at an angle. So if we go over here, you're not going to gain much with that sign.
Yeah, we got the sign
and the tree.
Yeah, plus you turn in here, you're going between the oaks, that pine tree's gone, it opens up to the house.
I mean, it would, ideally, it would be nice to do half and half. I'm not saying we can't. I just have to dig out around that and get that where a pipe would go back in it.
Yeah. I don't know, the wider the better.
Oh, yeah. We'll either do 20 foot on that side or 10 and 10.
Okay.
So there's 20 foot now. I don't know what to do with that, but probably not too much since it's cut in half, so no, I didn't do that.
Yeah.
All right, well, we need to
talk about shallow root.
Yeah.
Or is that a trim limb?
Get put out some flags and get 811 to locate that.
All right, I'll make that happen as soon as I call Duke.
Yeah.
Take power off the house.
Yeah.
Well, there's no power to the house, but I'm assuming that line's probably hot.
Power to the hot. It's hot.
That's what I mean.
I don't know if the meter's on or not. But
no.
Okay.
town, singing a song that you never really knew, and I need you to come back home. Serving drinks in New Orleans, you met a few friends and then you headed east to Seaside, where the time flies and everybody seems to have the time of their life. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. No matter where you go, I'll be waiting right back home. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Last I heard, you went to Savannah, like all the pretty girls do, roaming the streets with a drink in your hand while your money runs out on you. I think it's funny that boy you met, a cheap version of everything I am. But don't let it put a ring on your head, 'cause nobody's gonna love you the way I can. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. No matter where you go, I'll be waiting right back home. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Oh. The moon rises fine tonight. I can see it in this Tennessee sky.